Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 4 on Nomad World Publishing. So for task number 4, it states, on the bookstores worksheet in the city column, modify the existing formula to display the letters in upper. This is one of the most hardest tasks since it is embedded formula. So first I'm going to jump over to bookstores. From here, I'm going to click on the column that says city code. And as you can see, it says left at city-3, but we need all of these words to be capitalized. So how you do that is you click over right over here, you type in upper. Then you open the bracket. And then for the text, you can already see that it's already highlighted from the previous one onto the left side. You close back the bracket over here, click enter on your keyboard, and all of these are now capitalized. For the formula, you can see that this is embedded into another formula. For the left formula, it just shows you the left 3 words onto the side. Hope that helps and have a great day. Bye for now.